Hi students, welcome to our innovation. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சேனல்ல பார்க்க போற வீடியோ 5th standard science term 3 unit 1 R environment ஓட book back answers தான் நம்ம இப்போ இந்த வீடியோல பார்க்க போறோம். வீடியோக்கு போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி எங்களோட சேனல் இதுவரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. வாங்க இப்போ நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ளார போலாம். Book evaluation page number 80. Roman letter 1 is choose the correct answer. Which of the following produces more milk? Buffalo. So, more than cow, cow-ஐ விட buffalo தான் நிறைய milk produce பண்ணும். Okay. Second one, poultry farming is rearing and breeding of avian species. Third one, dash is the best fertilizer, vermicompost. Farming is more profitable than agriculture. Poultry farm is famous in Namakkal district in Tamil Nadu. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. There are 26 breeds of cattle in India. The milk of buffalo has more nutrients than cow's milk. Roughage contains high amount of fiber. Droppings of poultry birds are used as manure. Vermicomposting transforms organic waste into nutrients rich in fertilizers. Answer is organic waste. Match the following: Shruti, buffalo, white revolution, milk, layers, egg, green manure, leguminous plants, cattle, transportation. Roman letter 4, say true or false. If false, correct the statement. Farming is done on a commercial scale. That is true. Vermicompost can be used to clean sewage. It is false. What is the right answer? They ask you to correct the false, no? So, right answer is it is used to clean the environment. Okay. Leguminous plants fix nitrogen in the leaves of the plants. True. Namakkal district is famous for dairy farm. False. So what is the right one? Namakkal district is famous for poultry farm. That is the right answer. Murrah is a buffalo breed. True. Roman letter 5. Answer briefly. What is farming? Page 71. Page 71. See, farming is the activity of growing crops and raising livestock. It is important of agriculture. It is a part of agriculture. So, this point you can write for the first answer. Second one, mention the types of farming, page number 71. Here is the answer: an area of land with fields and buildings that develop the primarily to grow crops or raising domestic animals or both as business is called farm. So farm na idu neenga eludittu idu eludhalam, or you can write only the types of farm mattum eludreenga. Large scale farms grow one or two major crops or animals. Middle sized and small sized farms grow different types of crops and animals. இது மட்டும் வேணாலும் நீங்க எழுதலாம். ஓகே, பட் என்ன ஃபார்ம்னா என்னங்கிறது இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட்ல வந்துடும். செகண்ட் பாயிண்ட் வந்து டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபார்ம் வந்துடும். ஓகே, இது ரெண்டும் சேர்த்து எழுதுங்க, ஆர் ஈவன் யூ கேன் ரைட் ஒன்லி திஸ் லாஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட். Third question, write a note on poultry farm. Page 75. Under the heading poultry farm, in poultry farms, avian species are reared and bred for the purpose of egg, meat and both. Fowls, ducks, geese, turkey and some varieties of pigeon are the most commonly reared species. So, from here to here. Fourth question, what is farmyard manure? Page 79. Page 79, under the heading animal manure, common form of animal manure is the farmyard manure. It contains the feces and the urine of different livestock like horse, cattle, pigs, sheep, chickens, turkey and rabbits. So this point you have to write. Fifth question, define vermicompost, page 80. So here vermiculture or vermicompost is the method of transforming organic waste such as waste paper, leaves, pieces of wood, etc. into a nutrients rich fertilizer using earthworms. So up to here. So mark from here to here. 2 points. Roman letter 6 is answer in detail. What are the uses of animal products? So animal products, it means here the dairy farms. Okay, இந்த இடத்துல வந்து dairy farms பத்தி தான் கேக்குறாங்க. So we have to write about the uses of the dairy farms. That is about the cattle. Children, see here page number 74 under the heading uses. Okay, uses heading, you have to write this whole point. Cattle are useful to us in a number of ways. The cattle, it means the animals. Okay, so idellame neenga eludikanga. This is for the first detail. Second detail, how will you manage a poultry farm? 77 under the heading poultry management. See here some points are given. No, 5 points. You have to write this fully. This is for second detail. Poultry management heading fully. Dear children, thus the lesson book evaluation fully completed. Unit 1 book evaluation எல்லாமே முடிஞ்சது. So already இந்த lesson ஓட content 2 videos upload பண்ணிருக்கோம். அந்த வீடியோஸும் பார்த்து learn பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கண்டிப்பா எங்க சேனல் உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். எங்க சேனலை இதுவரைக்கும் subscribe பண்ணாதவங்க subscribe பண்ணிக்கோங்க. லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you. Have a nice day.